When starting to use the HiTeach Campus License Cloud, the system administrator must first complete the basic settings for school system, semester, subject, and grade level, or directly adopt the default environment. The school system can be set to primary school, junior high school, college, university, special education, and more. The semester is set to 2 semesters by default, but can also be configured as 3 semesters or a 4-quarter system to automatically start and end semester-related activities. Grade levels can be set to 3-year, 5-year, or 6-year systems based on the school system, allowing the cloud to automatically upgrade relevant data at the end of the school year. Subjects can be configured according to different school systems, such as language arts, mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, history, geography, music, and arts, to facilitate categorized management of teachers, courses, and teaching materials. Schools can flexibly configure the cloud operating environment based on their needs. After setting the change items, click the Save Changes button to complete the setup. Please note that after the cloud operating environment is set up, settings should not be changed arbitrarily to avoid loss of learning data or changes in the operating habits of teachers and students. In addition, on the General Settings page, you can set the school name, time zone, school type, and choose whether to enable lesson record management. The above is an example of the basic settings on the cloud for HiTeach Campus License System Administrators. The operation is very simple.